Alright, this is going to be a hotel room tour of an ADA King room, room 1103 at the Hampton Inn, Washington, D.C., downtown White House. Got the RFID card locks. Come into a very spacious room indeed. You have interior corridors. Shut the door. And what I'm going to do first is set the room key down. And let's go ahead and begin our tour over here with security features. We have a standard deadbolt, latch lock, peephole with a privacy cover. So they actually do give you two peepholes because this is an ADA room. It's kind of interesting how they actually have one of the peepholes actually on the fire plan. I thought normally it'd be like down here or something. But that's interesting. But we are well taken care of in the security department. Here's the really unique floor layout of this hotel. You can see the elevators are here, and we are in 1103. So, turning away from that, you have this really long hallway. Well, not really long, but pretty long, coming into the room. Over here, you have, look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi! This door is for connecting rooms and is locked, thankfully. And here's a view of the rest of the room. You have a very nice king-size bed. Feels very nice and comfortable. Over here, you have a standard hotel phone. There's the housekeeping notepad. A White House Easter egg. Over here, you have the Hilton Honors goodies that they gave us when we checked in. You have a Panasonic TV over here. Plenty of drawer space in these drawers here. All very nice furniture here. Over here, you have a nice desk. And let's take a view out the window. I don't know that you can really see much because it's dark. You're basically just looking at like a building next door with a parking garage down there. Just a second. Okay, there's the other window. It's kind of nice how you actually have two smaller windows in this property. All the rooms here have several smaller windows instead of like one big window. So that's a nice feature. Have a picture on the wall there. Here's the closet. Got some of the stuff hanging up there. Luggage rack and safe down there. And last but not least, let's tour the bathroom. This is a very nice ADA compliant bathroom. This is a tub. You have a portable shower handle there for ADA compliance, as well as a regular shower head up there. Very nice Hampton shower curtain with the arched rod that you find in most hotels. Very nice feature. I like the light around the mirror, and who do you see again? Hi! You have a sink with separate hot and cold water, which is always a nice feature. Your shampoo, soap dispensers, everything like that. Here's the towels arranged in the nice cubby area here. And we have the commode is a sterling. And for all the toilet fans, we're going to go ahead and flush it. Put a good flush. So let's take one more look at the room. Overall, this is a very nice room here in downtown DC. And I guess that'll be it.